Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This is crucial because location history is tied to account data. On your phone or laptop, make sure location and web and app activity are switched on. Those settings let Google store movement. Once done, open Google Maps or your account settings. You'll need to navigate to the timeline or data and personalization areas. This first step links device-recorded points to the account, so you can retrieve past routes and timestamps accurately. Next, open Google Maps and go to your timeline. This view shows recorded visits and routes. You then pick a specific day or a range using the calendar. Pick exact dates to reduce noise and speed up scanning. Make sure to zoom the map and toggle the left-hand list so you see timestamps, durations, and place names. Those details explain why a location appears. If you need accuracy, compare route points with known events or receipts to confirm entries. Finally, export or review the data to keep a copy. Google Takeout lets you download location history as JSON or KML so you can analyze it offline. When you examine entries, compare timestamps to your calendar or receipts to verify accuracy, because location fixes can drift. If something's missing, first check that the device had GPS and internet enabled at the time. If not, data may be incomplete. As a tip, resync the device and wait a few minutes before rechecking to resolve syncing delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.